Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. In case you're new to this channel, guys, please consider subscribing. We're coming live from Nairobi. This is Nairobi CBD. We are in a matatu. We are heading somewhere. So yes, that's how the city looks like. It's a very bright morning. It's on a Sunday. I did this video on a Sunday. So that is how the streets of Nairobi looks like very early in the morning on Sundays. So I just want to take you along with me, guys, so that you see how everything looks like here, guys, on a Sunday. So before we continue, please, guys, subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share, also leave a comment down below. So thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video. So guys, this is along Moi Avenue. This is along Moi Avenue, if I'm not wrong. It's along Moi Avenue. We are heading somewhere, guys, so please keep tuned. This is along Avenue, and you see around here we have new changes. I'll come back and do a video from this place, because the last time I did a video from this place, it was not like this. So we have amazing changes here. So that is how everything looks like. Beautiful buildings, beautiful weather. So yes, guys, so please like this video, like the video, guys. So this is Avenue interchange. This place has been under construction for a while now. I've been doing videos from this place, guys. Maybe if you just change the channel today, please, you can go and check my previous videos. So that is how it looks like. It is not like 100% complete, but we have amazing changes in the city. guys, this is pipeline. Yeah, pipeline Chogo Road. Yeah, we just arrived, and let me just try and do some good videos, guys, from this place. Yeah, so make sure, guys, you subscribe to this channel. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Please support me. Support me by subscribing to this channel. Like my videos, guys. Share. I would really appreciate. Yeah, so keep enjoying the video to the end. Yes, guys, this is pipeline, yeah, and you see down here, this place does not look good, yeah. Something needs to be done here. Something needs to be done here. So, I'm going to do amazing videos from this place, guys, yeah. So please, you better join the family. Yeah, join the family, guys. I really appreciate. Yeah, so we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So please, guys, support me. So let me just end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, guys, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, like my videos, share with your friends, and also leave a comment down below. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. And also be nice. Be nice to one another. Thank you so much, and bye bye.